In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Docusign document before sending. If you've ever found yourself stumbling over how to make changes to a document in Docusign, don't worry. We're going to walk through the process step by step, ensuring you feel confident and ready to tackle any edits you need to make. Let's begin by heading to the Docusign website. Simply open your browser and navigate to the Docusign homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one to proceed with this tutorial. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Look for the Agreements section. This area is where all your documents are stored. Click on it, and it will take you to a list of all your agreements. Here, you'll have access to drafts that you can select and work with. Now, within the Agreements section, focus on the Drafts folder. This is where unsigned or unfinalized documents are kept, allowing you to make necessary adjustments before sending them out. Click on this folder to open it and view what's inside. Once you're in the Drafts section and have located the document you wish to edit, click on that specific draft to open it. You will see an option to Continue, usually at the bottom of the page. Clicking this button will allow you to proceed to the preparation stage. After clicking Continue, you'll be led to a new screen where you'll see the option to click Next. This button is crucial as it guides you into the editing mode of your document. Once you're in editing mode, you can begin to make any necessary changes. This could include adding new fields, adjusting existing information, or even changing formatting elements. Ensure that these changes meet your requirements, as this is the version that will ultimately be sent out. Finally, with all your modifications complete, it's time to send the document. There's an option, usually at the bottom or side, to send. When you're ready, click Send to dispatch your updated document to its intended recipient. This action confirms that your document is set and finalized, allowing your recipient to receive the most recent version with your edits included. And there you have it. You've successfully edited and sent a document using Docusign. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to revisit these steps whenever you need to refine a document. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has made your Docusign experience a bit smoother. Keep exploring and editing with confidence.